Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a stock analysis video where I'm going to share 8 stocks for you for intraday and for swing also. So let's get started. First, as you can see, this is the daily time frame of Cipla, and Cipla has given a breakout of 200 EMA and it has been moving in this range, right? And the best part is that we can also see a level over here. Right, so what you can do is you can just wait for it to sustain above this level. Once it sustains above this level, a long entry can be taken. This is for purely for swing trade, okay? And for target, I think this looks like a very good target to me. This is the first target and this is the second target. I'll just check how big this is. 10% is very big, okay? So what you can do is you can also consider this level, this lower level also as your first target, okay? So this is it for Cipla. Moving on to the next one, what do we have here? We have RBL Bank over here. We don't need 200 EMA here, so let's remove it. What do you guys see over here? Can you see a resistance level over here? Right? It went up, it couldn't sustain up, it came down, okay? This is called a trap. So what you can do is you can just wait for it to close below this level. Once it closes below this level, I think a beautiful short entry can be taken. We can consider this level as our first target. I'll just check how big this is. 8% target, okay? So we can consider this level as a target. If you want to hold it further, you can consider this level, but I think even 8% is way more than the normal average, which is 5-6% is also very good for swing trading, but 8% is enough. If you want, if you can hold it further, you can hold it till here also, but wait for it to close below this level, okay? So moving on to the next one, we have Axis Bank. Axis Bank also has been consolidating, right? You can see we do have a level over here and it has been consolidating in this range, right? So again, consolidation breakouts are my favorite. So for short side, once it closes below this level, you can take a short entry and you can consider 200 EM as your target, okay? I'll just check how big this is. Perfect. 6-7% target is perfect for swing. And um, for long side, you can take an entry, you can consider again 5 or 6% as your target, or you can consider pivot level also as your target for Axis Bank, okay? Very simple trade. Moving on to the next one, we have 30 minutes time frame of Dabur. So Dabur, as you can see, it came down and broke 200 EMA. It has gone up. It gave a rejection. You can see a wick over here, and the wick is from the same level. See, so it has given a rejection. If it gives a bearish sign, we can take a short trade for both for swing and for intraday also. Okay, so this can be your target for intraday. You can consider this level as these level as your intraday targets, and for swing you can consider this level as your swing target. This can be your first swing target, this can be your second swing target, okay? Only for short side I'm giving because this looks way better in the short side than in the long side, okay? So moving on to the next one, we have ITC. As you can see, it went up, it has come down like this, so this can be considered as the pole and this as the flag, right? So this is a flag and pole pattern. What we can do is, okay, I also see a level over here. So what we can do is we can wait for it to close above this level. Once it closes above this level, a long entry can be taken. Okay, I think this should be the swing target. No, 2%. 2% is okay for swing, but this you can consider as the intraday target and this as your first swing target. And for second swing target, what you can do is you can just consider a pivot level of this as a second swing target. For short side, what you can do is you can take an entry once it closes below this level. Once it closes below this level, you can take a short entry and you can wait till 200 EMA as your intraday target. If you want to hold it for a swing, if you want to hold it for swing, I will wait. I will suggest you to wait till it breaks this level, breaks 200 EMA, and only take only take the swing entry then. And if it closes below this level, you can just take a swing trade. You can consider this level as your swing target, okay? Moving on to the next one, we have Wipro. Okay, Wipro is also at a level, it broke 200 EMA, right, as you can see, but I'll just remove it now. Look at this one, right? It is at a level, it is at a crucial level now. Once it breaks down this level, a short entry can be taken. We can see this is a very nice level. I'll just check how big this is. 0.8%, which is okay for intraday. This can be your first intraday target, this can be your second intraday target. And for swing, what you can do is you can consider this level as your target. First swing target, second swing target. Okay, 30 minutes you can trade both intraday and swing both. Swing won't be very long, 2-3 days is okay for 30 minutes time frame. This is BPCL. Okay, BPCL also, as you can see, it went up, right, and it is also at a level, and I also see a trend line over here, right? So once it closes above this level and sustains above this horizontal level, a long entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your target. I'll just check how big this is. This is 2%. You can consider this level as a first target and this as the final target. Okay, for BPCL we don't have any recent price action levels over here for long side. So what you can do is you can consider for swing and consider one more pivot level above this level for your target. For short side, if it closes below this level, you can take a short entry till for intraday. You can hold it till 200 EMA. If you want to hold it further for swing, you can do is you can wait for it to close below this level. You can wait for it to touch this level. This can be your first swing target and this can be your second swing target. Okay, moving on to the last one, we have IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank, as you can see, it has beautifully, it came down, it has gone up. Okay, it took a support on 200 EM, it has gone up, but see, we do have a trend line over here, right? And I can also see a level. I'm only going to give it, I'm only going to share this one for a long side. See, once it sustains above this level, you can take a long entry for intraday. I think this is enough. Okay, you can for intraday, I think this is enough. For swing, if you want to hold it for 2 days, you can hold it till here. And if you want to hold it furthermore, again, like I always say, you can consider pivot. For short side, I won't really recommend anyone to take a short trade before it sustains below 200 EMA. Okay, for swing, if for intraday, if it gives a bearish sign over, you can take an entry, you can exit here on 200 EMA. But for swing, only if it closes below 200, you can take an entry and you can consider this level as your short swing target. Okay, so this is it for the video, guys. I've shared stock which you can trade for both intraday and for swing. I hope you liked it and I'll see you in the next video.